Hey guys, welcome to Math Channel. 5 plus 6 divided by 3 times 9 minus 4. Okay, 5 plus 6 gives us 11. 11 divided by 3 gives us 11 over 3. And times 9 gives us, we can simplify this. 3 divided by 3 gives us 1. 9 divided by 3 gives us 3 is equals to 11 times 3 gives us 33, and 1 times 1 gives us 1 minus 4. That this answer, this expression equals to 29. But this answer is not correct. According to the rules of mathematics PEMDAS, we have to solve this math expression in this way. First parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication and division, and then addition and subtraction. According to this rule, we have one division here and one multiplication here that we have to solve them first. So as we know, multiplication and division are equally important, so we have to solve this expression from left to right. Now 6 divided by 3 gives us 2, and now 2 times 9 gives us 18. Now we have 5 plus 6. Excuse me. 5 plus 18 minus 4. As we know, addition and subtraction are equally important, so we have to solve from left to right. 5 plus 18 gives us 23, and 23 minus 4 gives us 19. The final answer is 19. Thank you for watching.